Welcome to Katie's Playhouse. Hi everybody, I'll be opening Peppa-Mint and her Nice and Icy Fridge. We have all these Shopkins because they want to watch us. There's a blind bag in one of these boxes. Guess which one? This purple one, this pink one, or the other purple one, or the other pink one, or this Shopkin backpack. Okay, here's the front of Peppa-Mint and her Nice and Icy Fridge. Now, let me show you the back. Here's the back of Peppa-Mint. It looks like she loves ice cream. Now let's see the back of the Nice and Icy Fridge. Here's the back. It looks very cool. Now, we will be opening Peppa-Mint. Here she is. Here is Peppa-Mint. Let's get her out of this package. She's stuck. Oopsies. Both of her shoes came off. One shoe went here and the other shoe is on the ground somewhere. Here, I got the other shoe. They both look the same. Now let's put the shoes back on her because they fell off of her. There we go. So here she is, Peppa-Mint. Here's the back of her. Her hair is so pretty. Here's the front of her. It said on the box that we can take her apron off like this. We just need to take it off. Here is the apron off of her. Now let's put it back on. This is fun. Okay, her apron is back on. Just put her skirt down. There we go. This is her. This is Peppa-Mint. Whoa. There we go. We've sticked it back on. Okay. Now let's see what's in the box. Here's her 2 exclusive Shopkins. There's one. There is the other one. Now let's take the brush out. Okay, here's the brush. It looks super cute. Look at it. It's like ice cream scoops. Okay, now we only have a blind bag left. Let's see what's in the blind bag. It's her doll stand. Let's put her on the doll stand. This is Peppa-Mint on her doll stand. She's so beautiful. Let's put these on the side so we can open the Nice and Icy Fridge. Now let's open the Nice and Icy Fridge. Here's the Nice and Icy Fridge. Neat. Let's get this Nice and Icy Fridge out. It's kind of hard to get out, so you need a parent to help you get it out. Here's the 2 exclusive Shopkins. Okay, let's get these 2 exclusive Shopkins out. Okay, now let's get the 6 tiny Shopkins out. Here's one. We're gonna put all of them in this tray. Let's put them in the Nice and Icy Fridge. And let's put this thing over here, the door. The ice cubes are in the fridge. This door opens and closes. Let's see. Open. Let's put these Shopkins in this door. and some of the other Shopkins want to join them. Woo! Now this drawer opens. Wow, let's put some Shopkins in there. Whee! Now the other drawer. It will fit one more Shopkin. Let's put the Diana dress. Wow! Now let's open this blind box. It's a mystery dish. Mystery dish. It's a Chef Club mystery dish, and we need Nice and Icy Fridge. We need Pinky frosting, chalk frost, Sarah sweethearts, strawberry jam, chocolate cake Jake. That's what we need for the mystery dish. Okay, now let's put these balloons in here. And let's put this cake slice in here. And let's put the icing in here. And one more thing. Let's put these glasses. Now we are going to open the blind boxes. Let's start with this Shopkin backpack blind backpack. Wow, we have this blind bag in here. Let's see what's in it. We got this bunny plant thing. If you know her name, tell me in the comments. Now, let's open this purple present. We got this vase of flowers for a wedding. Now, let's open this pink present. We got creamy cookie cupcake. Now, let's open this pink present over here. We got this flower vases again, but it's a king instead of a bridesmaid, and it's more pretty. Now we're gonna open this purple present. We got this wedding dress. She's so pretty. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.